Here, what's going on? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, then you are probably doing a bit of research on YouTube about how to rank your videos higher on the YouTube search engine. Okay, so what I'm going to do over the next few minutes is I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. Okay, if this is one of the first times that you are watching my videos, my name is Aaron Chen. I actually create videos on my channel where I help people to become more profitable. Okay, use more strategies to become more profitable in their online business. And at any time, if you want, you can click on the description in the link below, right? And you can get access to my 4-day training where I teach you my 6-figure internet marketing, affiliate marketing strategies so that you can use them for your own business. Okay, so consider subscribing as well if you're interested in this type of content. All right, so let's get to the training. So here's what we're going to talk about, right? How do you actually rank higher faster inside of YouTube? Now, for those of you who don't know me, I actually use YouTube marketing the most. So, most of my traffic, most of my leads comes from YouTube. And the thing about YouTube is that there are a few things that you have to consider when you are trying to rank your video, okay? Now, if you don't know them already, I'm going to go through them one by one so that you understand exactly what I'm talking about, okay? So the first thing that you need to do is you need to understand that, let's just say you have a keyword that you're going to go after, right? So, for example, if your keyword is something like how to make money online. Now, we're not going to use this keyword because this is an extremely competitive keyword, which I'm going to show you in a minute. But let's just say you were trying to rank for this. Then the first thing that you need is you need to do all the right on-page SEO. Okay, so I'm going to go through the basics as well. So just in case you've never done this before, and this will give you an idea of how to do it. Okay, so this is your keyword. Remember that YouTube is like Google. Okay, in terms of the way that it looks for videos, the way that there's spiders run through all your videos to find out if that content is actually what people are searching for. That's very important, right? They want the right user experience for their people. So the first place that you need to have it, absolutely have it, okay, is in the title. You must have your keyword phrase in the title. Another place that you must have it as well is in your description, okay? Now, the important thing to understand about this description is that you don't want to keyword stuff, okay? That means you shouldn't be putting your keyword in there like 10 times, because if you do, then that is a big problem. Okay, YouTube doesn't like that. You're gonna get penalized. So title, description, make sure you have it in the first line of the description box, and then probably have it another 1 or 2 times. That's it. That's all you need. Okay, so in the description, probably let me see, 2 to 3 times. That's it. That's all you need. I usually just put it in there twice, and that's enough. Okay, make sure you write nice sentences though. Okay, don't just stick your keyword in there. You have to write paragraphs so it reads like a real paragraph and a real sentence. Okay, don't just add your keywords in there, then it's not really good. Make sure you write a proper sentence out. Okay, so title, description, and you must also have it in your tag. So your keyword must be in your tag at least 1 time. Okay, then what you can also have is you must also have related tags. Okay, so anything that is associated with how to make money online. So it might be how to make money online, how to make money online quickly, how to make money online with affiliate marketing, different variations of the main keyword that you're going for. Now, there are 500 characters in the tags, so try and put as many as you can in there, because that will help you to rank for some of the other tags as well. Okay, another very important place to put the keyword is in the image. So when you create an image, so for example, if I was to search how to make money online, you see this right here, this is an image, right? This person, Kevin David, actually made an image that says make money on YouTube, right? So you want to make it nice and interesting looking so that people will click on it, right? Because you're dealing with a lot of competition here. But you want to rename that PNG file, rename.png file with keyword title. With the keyword, okay? So this would be the name of your actual image file. Okay, then you upload it onto actually YouTube. Okay, so the video name we already covered. That's the same on the top actually. So I'm gonna get rid of this. That is, yep. Sorry about that. Okay, and then so now you've got all the on-page SEO done. It's actually not that complicated. Okay, you just need YouTube to know that your video is actually about that keyword that you're going after. So how to make money online or whatever it is, right? Now, the competition this is actually really, really important, okay? Because if you are going for a keyword that is as tough or as high competition as how to make money online, you're probably not going to rank there, okay? So if you're just getting started today, maybe you've got 5 videos on your channel, or no videos, or even 20 videos, that's not enough to rank for this keyword, because this is an extremely complex and high competition keyword, okay? So the way that you generally look for competition and see whether you can potentially rank quickly for that particular keyword is I would use tools, okay? So some of the tools that you can use are, let me see, TubeBuddy is a good one, and vidIQ is another good one, okay? vidIQ is paid. Actually, both of them, you can use them unpaid or paid. It just depends on what you're trying to do, okay? But let me show you how to actually, go through the competition, right? So I searched for how to make money online, okay? And when I search for it, this is an ad, so I won't worry about that. But the next one on the top there is actually this one, right? Now, let me see, look how many subscribers this person has. They've got 106, I don't know if you can see that, but there's 168,000, let me zoom in, okay? Look at this, 168,000 subscribers, okay? And 3.3 million views. So, your video is gonna rank based on the authority of your channel and how many people have viewed them, how many people have liked and commented on it as well, okay? Now, unless you've got more subscribers than Practical Wisdom, or your video is getting more than 3.3 million views, you will not rank higher than this video, okay? Now let's have a look at that. Maybe that's just a blip, okay? Maybe it's just this particular channel. But let's go down and have a look, okay? So the next one is by this guy called Dan Lok, and Dan Lok is a very successful internet marketer, right? He's got 1 million subscribers, and this video has 105,000 views. Ask yourself that question. Does your channel have more than 1 million subscribers, and do you think you can get more than 100,000 views? Probably not, right? So again, very competitive there. This one has 300,000 subscribers, Kevin David, and 51,000 views. Again, very high. These guys have big channels, high authority channels, okay, and lots of views. This guy, again, Kevin David, so you're not going to beat Kevin David. This guy, millionaire by 21, 33,000 subscribers, 28,000 views. Okay, so now we're starting to go a little bit down, okay? But then again, the next one, Franklin Hatchett, he's got 115,000 subscribers. That's a lot of subscribers, right? 16,000 views. Next one is Brightside, 22 million subscribers, 1.7 million views. Lester Diaz, 3,027. Okay, so Lester has done a really, really good job because he's managed to slot himself in there even though he doesn't have that many subscribers on his channel, right? But he still managed to get 27,000 views, which is probably why he's got his video slotted in there, right? And then Michael Kohler, YouTube Pro, again, 55,000, 385,000 views. Look, even this guy who's got 385,000 views, he's still not able to beat some of the higher ones because his subscriber base is very little, okay? So I'm going to zoom out, and I'm going to basically say that you won't, unfortunately, with this particular keyword, how to make money online, if you're just getting started, unless you've got bigger channels and more views than these guys that I just kind of went over, you're not going to rank for this keyword, okay? So part of ranking faster, higher, has a lot to do with the keywords that you use, okay? So assuming that you've done all this really, really well, okay, so you've done it really, really well, the on-page SEO, your video is awesome, great quality, very engaged content, you titled the image right, the title description, the tags, they're all great. If you go after the wrong keyword, you won't rank for it anyway, because a lot of it has to do with competition, a lot of it has to do with your channel authority, okay? And channel authority has everything to do with the length of time that your channel's been open, okay? How many subscribers you have, and how many videos you have uploaded onto YouTube. So, for example, if your channel is 50 years old, but you've got one video on there, then your channel authority is not going to be very big at all, right? But if your channel is 50 years old and you've got 500 videos on there, then your channel authority is going to be pretty damn good. Okay, I hope that makes sense, right? And of course, it has to do with subscribers and everything as well. So the length of time, the amount of subscribers, and how many videos you have on your channel makes up your channel authority, okay? So what I would say is the best way to rank your videos fast or higher on the YouTube SERP okay, is the easiest thing to do is to look for, ultimately, if you've done all this stuff that we just spoke about, right, is to look, or I should say go after low competition keywords. Okay, that really is the best way, because if you're just getting started and you don't have any channel authority, there's no way that you can increase the ranking of your video. Even if you were to get, if you were to go to Fiverr.com and you were to hire people to push up the amount of views, because you can find people to promote your videos, right? They're not giving you fake views. It's real views. It's just they're promoting it through their networks to give your video more exposure so the views go up, okay? But even if you were to get a lot of views, just like, for example, Michael Collar's video right here, right? So he's got 385,000 views, okay? And yet he's not ranking higher than, say, Franklin Hatchett, who's only got 16,000 views, but he's got double the subscriber base of Michael Collar, and so his video is ranking higher. All right, so even if you were to pay for someone to get your video out there, you're still not going to rank higher than some of these other really big channels. Okay, so actually the easiest way to do it is really to go after low competition keywords. Now, where do you find these keywords from, right? Well, the easiest thing to do is to go to the Google keyword planner tool. Okay, now I'm not going to show you how to do it right now, but it's very easy. You just go to Google, you type out Google Keyword Planner tool, you'll find it, you'll create a free account, okay, and then you'll just type out whatever keyword that you're looking for, how to make money online, how to generate more traffic, how to lose weight, how to fall in love, how to stop my dog from peeing on the carpet, whatever products you guys are trying to sell or go after, or whatever niche industry you're in, you just put that keyword in there, okay? Now, once you've got a whole list of keywords, I would literally do this. I would find like 50 keywords, okay? And then based on those 50 keywords, I would plug them back in here, and then I would look at the top 5 channels, and see if you can compete against those channels, okay? If you have more subscribers and you think you can get more views, right, then you should go after that keyword. But if you're in a space, if you're going after a keyword where there's just way too much competition, like these guys, I mean, there's no way that you're gonna beat a channel that has 1 million subscribers, unless you have more than 1 million subscribers yourself. Does that make sense, right? So based on that, you have to make the best educated guess on whether you think you can go after and rank for that particular keyword based on your channel authority, based on how many subscribers you have, how many videos you have on your channel, how many views you think you can get to your video, okay, and the keyword that you're going after. Okay, so this is actually your best bet to ranking higher on the YouTube SERP. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that. I hope you're getting some amazing ideas from this and some huge aha moments. Okay, listen, I'd love to know, I'd love to hear what you thought of this video. If you can let me know in the comments below. Sorry this video ran slightly long, 13 minutes, but if you got some value, would really appreciate some thumbs ups, guys. Okay, let me know what strategies you've been using. Let me know what you learned from this video, and very important, if you want to get access to my 6-figure affiliate marketing strategies, right, this is one of them. Okay, I build a lot of my views and my leads and traffic and my authority through YouTube, but that's only one component. Okay, if you really want to learn how to sell properly, then you need to understand how to structure your internet marketing business properly, step by step. You have to understand the mechanics of how it works. You have to understand why people buy things online, and I want to show you how to do that if you're interested. Completely up to you. Okay, so you can get access to that by clicking on the link right below in the description box. Enter your best email address, and I'll send you a 4-day training program that will teach you exactly how to do this stuff properly. Learn how to become more profitable in your internet marketing business. All the best, good luck, take care, and let's speak soon.